Good morning, ma'am.
So, yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Hope all of you.
Good morning.
Yes. Yeah. Good morning. Okay. Settle down fast. Sit straight.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sit straight, all of you. Sit straight. Yes. Good.
How are you, ma'am?
No other disturbance, please. No other disturbance. Okay. Now, yeah. Yes, children. So today we are going to have revision for Essay 1. As I told you, exam starts from 29th September and our exam is on 4th October, right? So we are starting the revision. Today I'm going to do for 2 chapters, okay? Chapter long and short and the chapter time goes on. Chapter 4 and chapter 7, okay? Tomorrow I will send you few more revision sheets, one more revision sheet for chapter 1, 2 and 3, okay? And then another revision sheet will be sent next day. With that, we will complete all the chapters revision for Essay 1. Okay, children? Hope you understood. So today I have already shared with you the chapter 4 long and short revision sheet. So the same we will do it now. I'm going to share here, share the screen also. Just a second, children. Yes, children. So hope you can see the shared screen. Right? Okay. So children, kindly respond. Okay. As I ask you the questions, please don't make noise. See that there is no other disturbance from your side. So first one, for chapter 4, long and short, I am sharing here. Okay. So first, all of you should write your name, email, class, roll number. So all these formalities, hope you know, right? So let us start from the first question. Okay. Standard unit of measuring length. What is the standard unit of measuring length? Yes, Lalita Aditya, quickly. What is the standard unit of measuring length? Meter, centimeter, or millimeter?
Meters, ma'am.
Very good. It is meter. Please note down, children, all of you. You need not do it now, but try to learn now. The standard unit of measuring length is meter. Meter. Okay. Now, next. Saurajesh, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see the second one. Find the distance between Agra Cant railway station and Agra Fort. Hope you can see the map, all of you children. See here.
Yes, ma'am.
Agra Cant railway
7
station.
kilometers, ma'am.
How much?
7.
Yes, so Agra Cant railway station to Taj Mahal, it is 5 kilometers. Taj Mahal to Agra Fort, it is 2 kilometers. So when you add, you will get the distance between Agra Cant railway station and Agra Fort. So it is 5 plus 2, 7 kilometers. Good, Saurajesh. Okay, let me go to next. Pradyumna. Pradyumna, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
From the same map, from the above map, which of these nearer to Agra Cant railway station? Which of these is Babarpur Forest, Taj Mahal, or Agra Fort? Which one is near to this railway station? Is this Babarpur Forest, Taj Mahal, or Agra Fort?
Forest, ma'am.
See,
Forest.
Agra Cant railway station is here, right? Taj Mahal,
Yes.
sorry. Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, and Babarpur Forest. Which one is nearby?
Taj Mahal, ma'am.
Yes. So see the map properly and tell me. Taj Mahal. Very good. Pradyumna, good. Well done. So let me go to the next one. Vivek, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Vivek. From next one, let us go to question number 4. From the above map, so from the same map, which is closer to the river Yamuna? Which is closer to the river Yamuna? Options are Taj Mahal railway station or Fatehpuri Sikri. Which is closer to the river Yamuna? Taj Mahal, the Fatehpuri Sikri, and one more, what is it given? Railway station. Agra Cant railway station, Fatehpur Sikri, or Taj Mahal. Which is closer? Closer means nearby. Nearby. Which is near to river Yamuna?
Railway station, ma'am.
Railway station is near to river Yamuna. See the
Taj
map.
Mahal, ma'am.
Yes,
Taj
Taj
Mahal,
Mahal.
ma'am.
Yes,
Taj
yes.
Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, ma'am. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal.
Yes, Taj Mahal is nearby river Yamuna. Okay. Next. Revati, please don't disturb the class. Revati, stop doing. Revati, if this is the case, I am going to remove you from the classroom. Yes. Next is, I can see here, whoever I can find on the screen, I am asking. If you are interested, please raise your hand. Okay. Joseph. Joseph Prince.
Yes, madam.
Yes, Harshavardhini, you also have started. What is the problem? If you are not interested, you can please go out of the classroom, but don't disturb others. Yes, Joseph Prince, go for the next one. Choose the correct option. See here, some columns are given. For length of an earthworm, it is 1. Height of a child is 2. Width of a fingernail is 3. Length of a saree is 4. Distance from home to school is 5. Similarly, in the second column, 2 kilometers is A, 5 meters is B, 10 centimeters is C, 1 centimeter is D, and 1 meter is E. Hope this matching is. Revati, please stop doing all this. Joseph, is this matching clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you need to answer. Check these options. Which one is right? Length of an earthworm, 1, is matched to what? Is it 2 kilometers? It is an approx length which you have to find out. Is it 5 meters? Is it 10 centimeters? Is it 1 centimeter? Or is it 1 meter?
Centimeters.
Very good. So 1 centimeter. Check it up. Check it up. Is it 1 centimeter or anything else? Check it up. 1 centimeter is too small. It's just this much. Joseph,
10 centimeters, ma'am.
yes. So the length of an earthworm will be 10 centimeters. Next, height of a child. Height of a child. A child. Can it be 2 kilometers? 5 meters?
5 meters, ma'am.
5 meters. It's too long, my dear. 5 meters is 500 centimeters. Isn't it? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We know this, right? Isn't
1
it?
meter, ma'am.
1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 5 meters means 500 centimeters. So girl, do you think that a girl can be 500 centimeters long? So what can be the height? 1 meter. Is that okay, Joseph? So next is width of a fingernail. Width of a fingernail. Width of
1 centimeter, ma'am.
1 centimeter. Very good. So here you can see that first length of an earthworm, you have said that C, that is 10 centimeters. Height of a child, you said it as 1 meter, that is E, right? Next, third is width of a nail. You said it as 1 centimeter is D. Okay. Next, what is fourth? Length of a sari. Can you tell me? Imagine what will be the length of a sari. Left out are 5 meters.
5 meters, ma'am.
Yes, 5 meters. So it is B. And fifth is distance between school to home. So we generally give it in kilometers. The distance is measured in kilometers. So 5A. So in that 3 options, you have to check where it is given as 1C, 2E, 3D, 4A, 4B and 5A. So which one is right? First, second or third? Options are given. First circle, second circle and third circle. Which one is right? Joseph?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one is the right circle? First, second, third. There are 3 circles given. First, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D.
2 circle, ma'am.
Yes, this one is the right option, right? Okay, good. So next. Viksha. Are you ready, Viksha? No response? Viksha is fine. So Viksha, check this. There is a map given here and Ghibli has to reach the grains. Can you see an ant here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you see the other side grains?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now ant wants to reach that grains. Help her in finding the shortest route. Okay. Who is this Gauri? What happened today? Why are you disturbing the class? Huh? Please don't do that, children. If I find it continuously, I would like to remove you from the class. Yes. Viksha, ant wants to go from her place to grains. Okay. There are road A, road E, road B, road C, and road D. Right? 5 roads have been shown. You need to find out the shortest route. Can you tell me which one is the shortest route?
Road E, orange color.
Yes, road E is the shortest route. And always remember, between any 2 points, suppose this is a place and this is another place, and you want to go from A to B. There are different ways. You can go like this, you can go like this, you can go in another way. There are different ways, but always the shortest route is the straight line from that point to the second point. Always the shortest route is the straight line, right? So as Viksha said, road E is the right answer. Yes. Any doubt?
Road
E
have corners, ma'am, because they are very long.
Yes, very good. So road E is the shortest route.
Don't have any corners.
What, ma? Road E has no corners. It's a straight line. So it is the shortest route. Very good, Viksha. Next, Bhumika, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let us go to 8th question here. Length of the pencil will be. Just try to find, imagine what will be the length of pencil. Can it be 15 centimeters? Can it be 2 kilometers or 5 meters?
15 centimeter, ma'am.
Very good. We understand that smaller things are measured in centimeters, right? Distance
Yes,
is
ma'am.
measured in kilometers and longer things are measured in meters. Very good. It is 15 centimeters. Next, let us go to the next student. Kindly unmute yourself, mute yourself after the answer. Yes, Uzair?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. So now see the 9th question, Uzair. Length of your fingers will be in, here there is one more.
Centimeter, ma'am.
Very good. Kilometers, meters or centimeters? Well said. It is
Centimeters.
centimeters. Very good. Uzair.
Centimeters.
Yeah, fine. Good. So next is, I can see Brinda Balasetti. Brinda, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let us go to 10th question, Brinda.
Yes.
Matchstick is 4 centimeters long. Please see this figure carefully. If matchstick is 4 centimeters long, please check the graph. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? So it means that between every 2 lines, the measurement is 1 centimeter. Am I right, Brinda?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how long is the lizard? Can you tell me the measure of this lizard?
Centimeter.
Very good.
13
It is
centimeter, ma'am.
13. So let us measure and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One more in between because it's long. So 1 and here 13. Very good. It is 13 centimeters long. The lizard is 13 centimeters. Okay, good. Brinda, we'll go to the next one.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Please,
ma'am.
who is that? Yes. Ishan?
Ishan,
Are you
ma'am.
ready? Ishan is ready. Very good. Okay, Ishan, go for the 11th one. If die, can you see here dice? Rolling die. Can you see a die here? Yes or no, Ishan? ఇక్కడ ఒక డైస్ కనపడుతుందా నీకు? No response from Ishan. What is the problem? Shall I go to the other student? Ishan is not responding. Ishan, any problem?
Yes, ma'am. I'm muted.
Acha, okay. So you can see the dice here, right? Can you tell me what is the length?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the length of the edge of the dice?
1 centimeter, ma'am.
I have given here. If die is 1 centimeter from every side, what is the length of wax color? Here, yellow color wax is shown. Can you tell me what is the length of this crayon?
8, ma'am.
Is it 8?
7, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 7 centimeters long, right? Here 2 options are given. One I will change, okay? Or you can put anything. That I will check it later and let you in. Okay, 7 centimeter. Very good, Ishan. So Ishan, answer the next question also, 12th question also. By how many centimeter is side of die lesser than the leaf? Side of this dice lesser than the length of the leaf. By how many centimeters?
Leaf or die, ma'am?
Which one is less, dice or leaf?
Die, ma'am.
Die. So by how many centimeters it is lesser than leaf? Leaf kante dice enta takkuva unnadi. By how many centimeter is the side of die lesser than the leaf? What is the length of the leaf?
2, ma'am.
What is the length of the leaf?
5, ma'am.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is not 5, 4. Okay. What is how long?
Missing, ma'am.
One missing. but-
missing.
No, but still, see, 1, 2, 3. With that missing, it is 4. Right?
Yes.
Yes. And dice is only 1 centimeter long.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the difference? ఎంత difference ఉంది రెండిటికి? When you are asked to find the difference, you should subtract. When you are asked to find the difference, you should subtract. So length of the leaf is
4
yes.
centimeters.
Length of leaf is 4 centimeters long, and length of dice
Yes,
is
ma'am.
1 centimeter
1
long.
centimeter.
How long is
long.
how less is die? How by how many centimeters dice is less? Whenever you are asked to find by how many centimeters it is less, you should subtract 4 minus 1, 3 centimeters. So by 3 centimeters, dice is
3
less than leaf.
centimeters, ma'am.
Yes, so answer is 3 centimeters.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so okay, Ishan, good. Now let us go to the other student. Shiraj. Shiraj, are you ready? Shiraj? No response? Are you ready, Shiraj? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you should be immediately get ready, my dear. Okay, can you tell me 5 meters is equal to how many centimeters?
500 centimeters, ma'am.
Very good, very good. It is 500 centimeters. Next, okay. Shiraj, tell me the next one also. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters?
100, ma'am.
Huh?
And 10, ma'am. 10, ma'am. 10.
See, where is a millimeter in scale? When you see the numbers, it starts from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, a little larger 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a larger one 10, so on. So between 0 and 1, the small lines what you have, this is called millimeters. This is called millimeters. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Very good. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters.
10 millimeters.
Yeah,
10
good,
millimeters.
Shiraj. Okay, next we'll go to Karunya Kumar. Shiraj, mute yourself. Karunya Kumar, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so Karunya, give the next answer after this. 4 centimeters less than 1 meter. 4 centimeters less than 1 meter.
94, ma'am. 91 centimeters. 100 centimeters, ma'am.
Let us check what you have said is right or wrong. 15th problem. I asked you to find out 4
100 centimeters, ma'am.
Yeah, let me check. Less than 1 meter. You know that less means addition or subtraction?
Subtraction, ma'am.
Yes, less means subtraction. Less means you have to subtract, right? Then from where you have to subtract 4? From 1 meter. But this is in centimeters and this is in meters. So first you should write 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters?
100, ma'am.
Very good. So you have to find out 100 minus 4. What is 100 minus 4?
96, ma'am.
Very good. So 4 centimeters less than 1 meter is 96 centimeters. Is that clear, Karunya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the answer for next one also? 6 centimeters less than 1 meter. 6 centimeter less than 1 meter.
94 centimeters, ma'am.
Very good. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Minus, less means minus 6 centimeters. So 100 minus 6 is 94 centimeters. Good, Karunya. Well done. Let us go to the another student. Okay. Karunya, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is Srijnasri. Srijnasri, are you ready? Srijnasri,
Yes, ma'am.
is that
Yes,
Srijnasri?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Srijnasri is ready. Okay. So this here we have completed this lesson. We will go to the next one. Okay, what was the next? Time goes on. Right? So let me go to the next one. Time goes on. Just a second. I'll share that. Yes. Yes. Can you see the screen, children? Yeah.
Ma'am.
Who is ready now? Whom did I call? Srijnasri.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. So as usual, you have to write your mail ID, name of the student, class, section, admission number, all that you should complete without any mistakes. Now let us go to the first question and guess. There are dash days in a week. Srijana, how many
Yes,
days
ma'am.
in a week? How many days in a week?
7, ma'am.
Who for this also you want help from your friends or parents at home? Huh? Can you tell me what are that 7 days? Can you tell me the
Monday, Tuesday, ma'am. Monday, Tuesday, ma'am.
Only 2 days.
Wednesday,
3 days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, ma'am.
Only 3 days.
Thursday,
Only 4 days.
Friday, Saturday,
What is
Sunday.
this? What is this, Srijnasri? Say it properly once again.
Monday,
Okay.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Okay.
Thursday,
Okay.
Friday,
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. So 7 days in a week. Good. So next. Can you tell me, Srijnasri, this also? There are dash months in a year. 1 year is equal to how many months? 1 year is equal to... Very good. Can you name that 12 months? Can you name that 12 months?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, June,
October.
October, November, December.
Very good. So 12 months you have told. Good, Srijnasri. You mute yourself. We'll go to the next student. Okay. After Srijnasri, I find Harshavardhini. Harshavardhini, are you ready? Harshavardhini?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So you were also disturbing the class by scribbling on the screen, right? Why, Harshavardhani? You are not feeling interest in the class? Okay. Now listen to the next question. How many hands are there in a clock? How many hands in a clock? 1, 2,
3, ma'am.
3. Can you name that 3 hands? Can you
Yes,
name?
ma'am.
Yes. Tell me what are the names of the 3 hands?
Yes, ma'am.
Name that. Emevantaru. What is that long hand called? Long hand is called
6, ma'am.
minute hand. We call it as minute hand. Next, short hand is called
10, ma'am.
hour hand. I'm asking the name. Okay. And the thinnest line is called second hand. Right? 3 hands are
Okay,
minute
ma'am.
hand, hour hand, and second hand. Now, can you tell me the time here? What is the time in this
1,
clock? What is the time in this clock?
10 o'clock, ma'am.
10 o'clock.
10.
Okay. It's not 10, it is 10 hours, 10 minutes. 10. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll go to the next
Okay.
one. Kindly mute yourself. I'll go to the next student. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, mute yourself.
Ma'am,
Rasagya,
Ma'am, I also mute, ma'am.
you mute.
Ma'am, I also mute, ma'am.
Yeah, you mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Rasagya. Rasagya. Is Rasagya ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Out of the 3 tasks given here, there are 3 tasks. Task means work. Taking bath, saying your name, doing homework. Which task will take the least time to be completed? Do you know the meaning of least? Least means very less time. Which task will take very less time? It is 3. Is it taking bath, saying your name? Saying your name. Very good. So saying your name takes the least time to say. So least means very less. Okay. Next. Similar. Rasagya, give the next one also. Out of the 3 tasks, choose the task which takes the least time. Once again, least, that is very less, to be completed. Blinking eyes, sleeping, drinking 1 glass of water. It takes less time.
Blinking eyes.
Very good. Blinking your eyes.
Blinking eyes, ma'am.
Blinking eyes. Very good. Rasagya, please mute yourself. We will go to the next student. Mute yourself, Rasagya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Hmm?
Chetan. Chetan. Yes, Lalit.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, Lalit.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not able to see. I have shared. Other students are able to see here. Others are seeing and doing, no?
I can see, ma'am.
Check it. Then. Okay, don't. That I will check it later. Now its class is going on, no? You check in the screen, okay? After the class, I will send if required, okay? Yeah. Yes. Whom did I ask? Who is that? Who is the next participant? Chetan. Chetan, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, or Rajesh?
Ma'am, I'm Chetan.
See, that we'll talk later after the class. Right now, you just check the screen and we'll do the problems, okay? Don't call in between, okay, ma? If anything emergency, then only you should make a call in between, right? Yes, Chetan, you are ready, right? So let us go to the next question. How long does it take? No, sorry. Out of 3 tasks, choose the task which takes the most time to be completed. Most time means more time. Least time means less time. So here you have to find out the task which takes most time. That is, you take more time. Okay. So tell me, which one is that? Washing clothes, wearing cap, eating food. Which task will you take more time? Which task will take more time? Washing clothes, wearing cap, or eating food?
One circle, ma'am.
Say it. What is that? Washing clothes, wearing cap, or eating food?
One circle, ma'am.
What is that one circle? Name it. Read it out. అదేంటో చదువమ్మా ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి వాషింగ్ క్లోత్స్ రీడ్ ఇట్ can't read Chetan washing clothes wearing cap eating food okay you mute yourself it is washing clothes good Sharon
Yes, sir.
is Sharon ready
Yes, ma'am.
yeah fine okay Sharon next one how long does it take to set curd you set curd at home your mother set curd at home right so how much time does it take does it sets in minutes it takes hours or it takes days
Days, ma'am.
no it's not days morning if your mother sets the curd by afternoon by lunchtime you get ready it gets ready for you right so it is not days it takes hours
Yes.
okay to set curd it takes
Okay.
hours not days okay next one more answer please Sharon 1 day is equal to how many
Okay,
hours?
ma'am.
1 day is equal to how many hours 1 day is equal to how many hours 1 day 1 day consists of how many hours
36 hours, ma'am.
okay Sharon it's
24 hours, ma'am.
24 hours how many
24 hours.
24 hours say it properly 1 day is equal to 24 hours say it
Hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours.
okay next let us go to the next student now Kirtana are you ready Kirtana no response Kengo are you ready Kengo no response Kengo is ready very good okay yes Kengo now let us go to the next question can you tell me what is 12 into 2 12 twos are 12 twos are
24, ma'am.
very good 24 then here please children look at this here we have 1 day equal to 24 hours okay 12 when I take 2 times then it is 24 hours Kengo can you tell me what is half day is equal to how many hours you can check this
24, ma'am.
1 day is 24 hours 1 day is 24 hours half day is equal to how many hours
12 hours, ma'am.
hmm?
12 hours, ma'am.
12 hours very good see here this you can understand from here 12 twos are 12 if you have 2 times then it gets 24 it means 12 is half of 24 so half day is equal to 12 hours half day is equal to 12 hours very good next okay mute yourself Kengo we'll go to the other participant Chandana Sri are you ready Chandana Sri
Yes, ma'am.
yes so there are dash days in a common year make it fast ma we have so many questions more there are dash days in a common year in general in a year how many days we discussed in the classroom how many days 365 days in 1 year there are 365 days right so okay let me hello everyone if I'm going in this way I'm taking so much of time okay children so be ready to answer the questions 1 year
Yes.
is equal 1 year is equal to 365 days Can you tell me what the number of days in a leap year?
366 days, ma'am.
Very good. 360.
366 days,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
66
Okay.
days,
Done.
ma'am.
Once answer is given, then on 360.
366 days, ma'am. 366, ma'am. 365.
As I'm running short of time, I'm just explaining. I'm not giving you the chance to talk. You are wasting my time. So there are dash days in a leap year. There are 366 days in a leap year. So next question is, in a leap year, how many days are there in February month? In leap year, February has 29 days. In non-leap year, February has 28 days, right? So here the question is leap year. So how many days in February? 29. Now next question. As per birth certificate, Sanya was born on 24/3/2000. Please see this question carefully. Sania's date of birth. Sania's date of birth is given as 24/3/2000. Right. So 3 means which month? It is March. January, February, March. Right. So 3 means it's March. And the year is 2000. Now the first question is, in which month Sanya was born? You can say it by saying here, Sanya was born in the March month. Right? You have to see the option and put every row is to be answered. Otherwise, you will not get marks. Okay. Second one. What is her age now? Now it is 2021. What is this year? 2021. Right? And which month is this? September. This is September. And in which year she was born? She was born in 2000. In which month? March. So first you have to subtract the years. 2021 minus 2000. So what is the difference? 21. So she is 21 years old now. She is 21 years old now. But there is a difference in months also. By 2021 March, she will be 21 years. But up to September, after March, April, May, June, July, August, and September. So it is 21 years, 6 months old. What is the age of her now? 21 years, 6 months. Okay, next question. How old will Sanya be on 8th March 2005? 2005, 8th March. March 2005. How old she will be? She was born in 2000, right? Up to 2000 March she was born. So 2005 March, she will be 5 years old. Right? 2005 minus 2000, you will get the exact age. So she will be 5 years old by 8th of March 2005. Right? Next. How old will she be in 2022? This is very simple. 2022 minus her date of year, birth year, that is 2000. So 22 years old. In 2022, she will be 22 years old. On what date will she be 8 years old? So 5 years old in 2005, 8th March. 8 years old, 8th March 2008. 8th March 2008. She will be 8 years old. Hope this is clear. Okay, any doubt in the last session, last end of the session, you can ask me. Similarly, another one. Look at the birth certificate carefully and answer the questions. Yes, let me allow one student to read the birth certificate quickly. Yes, Abbas. Are you ready? Quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Abbas, can you read this birth certificate? What is the name? Whose birth certificate is this? Quickly. Shikhar, Shikhar Pal. Whose birth certificate?
Ma'am.
Shikhar Pal. Okay. Is he a boy or girl?
Shankar Pala, ma'am.
Huh?
Boy.
Boy. Place
Boy,
of
ma'am.
birth. His place of birth. Jagir
Jagrama.
Hospital. Name of his father.
Shemar, ma'am.
Akshay Pal. What is his father's name? Akshay Pal. Can you see name of father? Akshay Pal.
Akshay.
What is his mother's name?
Akshay, ma'am.
Mother's name. RITU. Ritu Pal.
Ritu for ma'am.
Very good. Date of registration. Date of registration. The birth certificate is to be registered. So on which date it was registered? Can you see the date? 10. Abbas.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the date? When was that registered? Next, Kartika Durga, get ready. Kartika Durga.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Kartika Durga,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the date of registration?
Ma'am.
Date of registration. In the
Date of
certificate,
registration.
after name of mother, there is a date of registration in the certificate. What is the date? Kartika Durga, are you there?
10/9/2014, ma'am.
Yes, very good. 9 means which month?
September, ma'am.
Very good. 10th September 2014. Can you tell me his date of birth?
1/9/2014, ma'am.
Yes, 1st September he was born. 10th September he got registered. Can you tell me the issuing date? It was issued on last. See, you can see the date here at the end of the page. That is the issuing date. Can you tell me what is the issuing date? Issue means he got that. He was given that certificate. When was that?
26/9/2014, ma'am.
Yes, so he was born on 1st September. He got registered 10th September and he was issued the certificate on 26th September. Okay, so now quickly answer this, Kartika. Whose birth certificate is this? Shikhar Pal.
Akshay.
Shikhar Pal. Akshay Pal is father's name. Shikhar Pal. Okay.
Shikhar.
Yes, when he was born?
When he was born.
Okay, children, it's time up, so I will give the answers quickly. Please try to understand. I cannot give you a chance. So I mute you all. Yes. So when he was born on 1st September 2014. So 1/9/2014. What is the registration number of this certificate? You can see registration number at the second last line, 835/2014. That should be the registration number. You should tick here. On which date the birth certificate was issued? As I told you at the last, that is 26 September 2014. What is his father's name? His father's name is Akshay Pal. Okay, so now let us look at this calendar. 2021 calendar. Here Father's Day is mentioned on 20th. Okay, so that falls on Sunday. So Father's Day is on which date? It is on 20th of June. What day of the week is 24th? You have to go to 24th and find out the day. 24 is on Thursday. So what day of the week is 24? It is Thursday. How many Saturdays are there in this month? Just go to Saturday line column and count all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are total 4 Saturdays in this month. Okay. So next, again see the same calendar, 2021 calendar, and write the answers. List the months which have 30 days. We have learned that 30 days will be for 4 months, 31 days will be for 7 months, right? So list the months which have 30 days. You have to list out the 4 months: April, June, September, and November, right? So click here. Next, how many days does the month of February have? So the 2021 is non-leap year. So February has, you can check it in the calendar also. February has 28 days, right? So the answer is 28. Click on 28 here. Next, list the days, list the months which have 31 days. As I told you, 7 months will have 31 days. So all that 7 you have to write: January, March, May, July, August, October, December. So you need to click here. Next, how many months are having 31 days? So how many months are having? So count and write 7. How many weeks are there in November? So find out, go to November. How many weeks are there? So 1 to 7, 1 week, 14, 2 weeks, 21, 3 weeks, 28, 4 weeks. So there are in total 4 weeks in the month of November. Okay. Once again, the same calendar, but different questions. Please try to understand this. This you can do it on your own. I skip this. Let me go to the next question. Observe the holidays list and answer the question. So here holidays list is given. You need to answer the questions. Which festival comes on 19th October? So check it here. Where is 19th October? It's here. Eid. Miladun Nabi. 19th October, Miladun Nabi, that is Eid, and falls on Tuesday. So what is the question? Which festival comes on 19th October? It is Eid. Okay. Janmashtami falls on. So find out where is Janmashtami. 30th August, Monday. So Janmashtami falls on 30th August, right? Next, on which day Sri Ramanavami comes? So find out where is Sri Ramanavami here. Sri Ramanavami is 21st April, that is Wednesday. So on which day you are asked? So you have to write Wednesday. Okay. So which national festival we celebrate on 26th January every year? You know very well, 26th January is Republic Day. So find out which national festival. So Republic Day, second option, right? So next is, on which day Raksha Bandhan comes? Raksha Bandhan, check it up here. Raksha Bandhan is on 22nd August, that is Sunday. Okay, so check it here. So Sunday. So opt the option Sunday. Fine. Hope this is clear, children. Hope all of you understand. All of you understood this. Any difficulty, any doubts, kindly immediately ask me so that I can end the session. We are already late. Yes, any doubts? Yes, Saurajesh.
No doubts, ma'am.
Saurajesh,
No doubts.
is your doubt?
No doubts, ma'am.
Others, please.
No, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, Saurajesh, what is your doubt? Tell me.
Dad, which one you have skipped that I can't understand.
Oh.
Which month in the calendar have Sundays? January, I ticked January, it is, I can't understand.
Okay, I'll check it up. I'm just seeing. Wait a second.
It is looking everything wrong.
Okay. So here, which months in the calendar have 5 Sundays? Which months? So go for Sundays. In January, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So January has 5 Sundays, but February do not have, March do not have, April do not have. May has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So May has 5 Sundays. Similarly, October has 5 Sundays. So January, May, October, and even August has 5 Sundays. So see the second option, January, May, August, October. Is that clear,
Yes,
Sir
ma'am.
Rajesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, any other doubt in this?
And this one, name the days in April which
Name
comes in.
another day. Okay, listen. Name another days in October which 5 times comes. Other than Sundays, which day comes 5 times in October? October, check it up. 5 times. See, you have Friday 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Saturday you have 5 times 1, 2, 3,
Not October, it is in April.
Asked in April. No, second question is October. Okay, you are asking is it second, third, fourth one?
No, fourth one.
Okay, name the days in April which comes 4 times. In April, 4 times. Check it up. 4 times comes Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Right?
And Saturday.
Saturday has 4. Saturday is 4 times. Check it up. Clear?
No, there are three. There are 3,
3,
10,
17,
20,
24.
7, and 31.
Hey, check it up. April doesn't have 31 days, my dear.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Okay, so hope it's clear. Fine. Okay, next, who else has doubt quickly? Brinda, yes, what is your doubt, ma'am?
When is February is leap year?
I didn't get you. There is a lot of noise from your side. Once again.
Why is February leap year?
February is not a leap year, my dear. It depends on the year. 2020 is a leap year. I explained you how. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, it is a leap year. After every 4 years, we get again leap year. 2024 will be leap year. 2021 is not a leap year. I explained in classroom. If you want, I will explain it in the next class, not now. Okay. Anyone else? Yes, Lalit, make it fast, ma. You have another class, I think. Yes. Lalit, ask me. What's your doubt? No voice, Lalit. Anyone else? Tell me.
And the measure lizard. What is the measuring of lizard, ma'am?
13 centimeters you're getting. Check it up. There is 1 line missing, but you have 2 lines gap there. So it is 13. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone else? Hope all of you understood. It's good. Kartika, any doubt? No, you raise your hand, but okay. Anyways, so thank you, children. Please complete. I'll check it up. I'll see that the 2 revision sheets are posted in your group. All of you do it and inform me in 3rd A assignment group, 3rd C maths assignment group, but not in the main group. Okay. Check it up if all of you are added in that group or not. Okay, children. Bye.